Across continents, from humid tropical forests to icy northern rivers, we can find over 90 different species of kingfishers belonging to the Alcedinidae family. Despite their diverse sizes and colors, they all share a remarkable commonality: a long, straight, and pointed beak like a spear, along with an unrivaled ability to dive and catch fish. There are three main subfamilies within the kingfisher family. River kingfishers, Alcedinidae, are the most common subfamily, including the typical kingfisher species we often envision, with dazzling iridescent blue plumage and superb fish diving capabilities. Tree kingfishers, Alcedinidae, generally inhabit drier areas and woodlands and are not entirely dependent on water sources. Their diet is more varied, including large insects, lizards, and small animals. Lastly, water kingfishers, serene, comprise larger kingfisher species, often with less vibrant plumage, specializing in riverine forest habitats. Each kingfisher species is a unique jewel, perfectly adapted to its environment, creating a diverse and rich tapestry for the global ecosystem. In Vietnam, a land of winding rivers and endless coastlines, the kingfisher is a familiar and beloved sight. Among the kingfisher species present, the common kingfisher, also known as the Eurasian kingfisher or blue kingfisher, is the most widespread and easily observed. Its scientific name is Alcedo athis. The common kingfisher is a small yet striking bird with iridescent turquoise plumage on its back and crown, a rusty orange belly, and a white patch below its throat. When fully grown, they typically measure about 16 to 17 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of roughly 25 to 28 centimeters. Their long, straight black beak is their perfect hunting tool. The breeding season for the common kingfisher in Vietnam usually occurs in spring and early summer, approximately from March to June. They are skilled architects in nest building. Unlike tree-nesting birds, kingfishers construct their nests in earth burrows. They choose steep, soft earthen banks along rivers, streams, or ponds. Both the male and female birds work together to dig a small tunnel, about 30 to 90 centimeters long, which ends in a rounded chamber where the eggs will be incubated. Each clutch the female lays consists of 5 to 7 off-white eggs. The eggs are incubated for about 19 to 21 days, and the young birds remain in the nest for about 23 to 27 days before they are fully feathered and ready to fledge. True to their name, fish are the primary food of kingfishers. They are expert fish hunters. Besides fish, they also eat large aquatic insects, tadpoles, and occasionally small frogs. Their hunting technique is incredibly impressive. Kingfishers often perch on a low branch, rock, or post by the river, patiently observing the water's surface. Their keen eyes can see through the water to locate prey. When they spot a target, they will dive down with astonishing speed, their compact bodies like an arrow. Their sharp beak is used like a spear, striking directly into the fish. After securing their prey, they quickly fly out of the water, usually carrying the fish clamped in their beak, with the fish's head facing outwards. Once back on their perch, they will repeatedly hit the prey against the branch or rock until it dies, then swallow the entire catch headfirst to prevent the fish's fins from getting caught. In Vietnam, the common kingfisher is a relatively widespread species with a stable population. They are often considered an important indicator of aquatic environmental health, as they require clean water sources and abundant fish to survive. However, like many other wild animals, they still face threats such as habitat loss due to urbanization, agricultural development, and water pollution, which eliminate suitable nesting banks and reduce natural food sources. Water pollution from agricultural chemicals, industrial waste, and domestic sewage discharged into rivers and streams not only directly affects kingfishers, but also destroys the fish and insects they feed on. Therefore, protecting rivers, streams, ponds, and maintaining water quality are crucial to ensuring the continued existence of this beautiful bird in Vietnam. We have just explored a small part of the fascinating world of kingfishers. I hope you've gained some interesting knowledge about this brilliant bird. See you next time on Wildlife World.